Anderson Underbridge, we want to provide a premium rental experience. Every unit is brought to our test bridge and is gone through a process called a check-in, check-out. During a check-in, check-out, the unit, its fluids are checked, tire pressures, looking for any structural damage that may have occurred on previous jobs, so that way it can be fixed by our weld department here. The unit's inspected for safety and reliability. Once the unit has gone through the process of being checked in and checked out and is cleared by our service department, it is then ready to be loaded up for its next job. During rentals, our service team look for any preventative maintenance on the units that needs to take place. Our service department is available 24/7, 365 days a year. They are available for any technical support, operator support, and for parts support. Here at Anderson Underbridge, we also offer certified operator training. These classes can be done here in York on our test bridge, or we can come to you on your job site. With your rental, you also have the option of hiring an operator. This person will stay on site and operate the unit for you. You can have one operator or two. We do our very best here at Anderson Underbridge to provide quality units and the safest units to our customers. We do all of the checks here to make sure that you have the most efficient time on a job site and the most productive. Safety is always our top priority. With all of our tests and all of our check-in and check-outs, as well as day-to-day operations here at Anderson, we always keep safety in mind. If you're interested in renting one of our platforms or trucks, please reach out to us today.